Welcome to Mini Pen and Me. My name is Tony.
Okay, I know everybody's showing how to collect seeds, but I'm going to show you how to collect queen lace seeds. So I've got these, they're dried. I cut them when the flower was still on. As you can see, there's nothing there because it didn't dry on the flower, on the stem itself, because it was cut before it could form a seed. So that's exactly what that is. So if you can, you should leave the queen lace. See, there's nothing there. It's all dried, but there's no seeds. And if there is, they won't be viable because they will cut off the main stem while they were still in flower. Just like these ones. You see? Just like these ones. They're still in flower. So even though the stem dried, they didn't manage to get to the seed. What you need, and this is of course the green one, so even this one, it's even when you have this, it's better to, and it's okay to cut than when it's in flower. You actually have to wait till that forms. So that's the difference between cutting it when it's in the flower and it hasn't formed into seeds, and that's the seed pod. The seed pod is not ready because it's still green, so I have to let it dry out. Even though it's cut, you can let it dry out. And this is what you're after. See? The black. Oh, my nails are disgusting. See, that's the black seeds, and that's what I have here. See? So now, to get the seeds out, what I do is I open my hand and I do them in my hand just like that, and the seeds will fall out. Just squish it and everything, as you can see, you see? That's the seeds there. So, there we go. And another one, that's the seeds. And it's done. There's always a few left over, but what I do, I don't throw them in the rubbish, of course. I will throw them in one of the beds, so if something comes up, well, it comes up. So yeah, that's that. Squish, and there you go. That's all there is to collect seeds. Not much to it, really.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Good morning. We're enjoying our breakfast this morning. It is a bit wet. It rained last night, so we'll have to get some straw and put in before it gets too slushy. Otherwise they're not going to like it. Even though there are ducks, they don't like it when it's wet and slushy. Oh, the water, it's yucky. I'm going to change the water today. They just make it so dirty so quickly. Well, at least they got plenty of food and they're enjoying it. And this is the other side of the driveway. So I'll go this way first. So you can see the shadow. There we go. There's some more cosmos. There we go. So we are going through the middle. That's my rose. It's looking good. my beautiful dahlias. It rained last night, so everything looks spick and span. Need to come out and do some cleaning up, get rid of the ones that are done, like for example this one, which is finished but still looks nice. And the same goes for my big ones. Oh, they're gorgeous. They are just beautiful. Okay, so this is the left side of my garage. There is plenty of everything. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit dark today. I don't know why. It is Cosmos, Yarrow, I think, Beckia, and that's the front of the left hand side. This is on the footpath. I have a few things that are here, but because of the big tree they're not doing that well, so we've got on this in the sunshine, we got this. It's my native footpath, so everything here it's native, and it's doing so well. It's really doing well. I am very happy with it. So this is what happens when you have a good queen. That is awesome. Look at it. Honey, here I come. And it's got two. If you can see, there's two of them. Wow. We'll see what happens now. Loving it. Can't work with one hand. Oh shit, look at that, honey. And look at this. This is awesome. 3 tiers. Let's see what happens.